Okay, we're doing inside turn. First two hands, then a hand cross. Yes? So I do a basic first. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. I do a cross body. I lead with the left hand. I follow through with the right hand afterwards. Then I lead the right turn with the right hand. Follow through by the left hand afterwards. 2, 3, 5. I'll do it the same way. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Leads, please take your time. Follows, take your time on your turn. On the inside turn. Some follows are turning way too fast. 1, 2, 3. By the time we're bringing the hand over here, some of you follows are already doing 3. Yes? Also the leads, please don't try to make the follow turn faster. So I go 1, 3, 5. Follows, take your time. 2, 3. Turn, 6, 7. Okay, that was the first one. Second one, hand cross. Básico first. 1, 3. I'll do an inside turn. This brings me joy when I follow, place the hand on the back. I mean, I like it, but it's good for the follows to do it. Then I do inside turn. 5, 6, 7. Are we okay over there?
You're okay. It's not my fault.
Then I do my turn. 1, 2, 3. I turn my follow. 5, 6, 7. Remember 90 degrees. Don't overextend the hand and hit the follow in the forehead. So I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hair brush. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes?